In this video, I'll review Yesware, a popular email marketing tool that could really help you grow your business to the next level. I'm going to answer all your burning questions about the pricing plans, the automation features, ease of use and user interface, integrations with other platforms, and so much more. Keep in mind that using the wrong email marketing tool in your business is a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can give you all the information you need to make the right decision. For your convenience, I've included the link to Yesware in the description below so you can check it out. And now let's talk about their pricing plans. So I'm on their website right here and you can see they offer a monthly plan as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, then you're paying for a year upfront at once, but you also save up to 23% for every plan. So as you can see, they have a free plan, which is actually really good. It's free forever, so you never have to pay any money. And so you can just get started with this to see if you like the platform using the link in the description. But once you've decided you like it, you can upgrade to Pro, which is $19 a month per seat. So you can also try this for free. You can try all of them basically for free besides custom. So I would recommend trying whichever one you think you're most likely to use. Probably the most popular one, which is premium, would be good for you. It's for scaling sales teams at high growth companies. And so you can see all the different features that you get, like being able to remove the Yesware branding, getting unlimited campaigns, unlimited teams, and you can check all of them. They also have a custom plan where you'd have to contact them and they can help you out with a customized plan specifically for you. Now, what about the ease of use of Yesware? Well, their interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate. The dashboard is well organized, providing quick access to key features and analytics. Onboarding process is smooth with a guided setup, numerous resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a really detailed knowledge base if you have any questions. Yesware provides excellent customer support as well, so they have a huge knowledge base like I mentioned, and if that's not enough for you, you can also submit a request and get extra help. What about their email design and templates? Well, Yesware offers a variety of email templates designed for sales communications. The selection is decent, but it's not as extensive as some other marketing focused competitors. The email editor allows for significant customization, enabling users to modify templates to match their brand identity. Custom HTML emails can also be created for advanced users. Yesware doesn't feature a traditional drag and drop editor, focusing instead on simpler template customization. Now, what about their automation and workflows? Well, Yesware offers robust automation tools to create workflows like automated follow-ups and email sequences. The automation builder is user-friendly, enabling users to set up and manage automations effortlessly. Yesware provides advanced automation capabilities, including behavioral triggers and tagging, which allow for highly personalized and targeted campaigns. Now, what about segmentation and personalization? Well, Yesware offers powerful segmentation options where you can create detailed segments based on subscriber behavior, demographics, and other criteria. So you can personalize emails with subscriber data like their names and custom fields, ensuring really tailored, customized communications. They also support dynamic content, which allows you to display different content to different segments of your audience based on what they'd be interested in. What about integrations with other platforms? So I'm on the website here and you can see they've got all sorts of different platforms that you can easily integrate with. It's not a really huge extensive list compared to some other email marketing platforms, so it's actually a little bit small. You can of course connect with Gmail and a few other platforms, but if you're using all sorts of different like funnel builders and website builders and stuff like that, it might not integrate easily with Yesware, so that is a bit of a downside. But what's really good with Yesware is their deliverability. Yesware is known for its high deliverability rates, ensuring that the email actually reaches your subscribers' inboxes consistently. It includes spam testing tools that analyze emails for potential issues, helping to improve the deliverability. The platform provides tools and best practices for managing the sender reputation, which is crucial for maintaining high deliverability rates. And what about their analytics and reporting? Yesware offers comprehensive comprehensive reporting tools providing insights into key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. Users can also access real-time analytics, allowing for timely adjustments to campaigns based on performance data. Now, what about contact management? Yesware makes it easy to manage subscribers with tools for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. So tags and custom fields can be used to segment and personalize communications. Platform supports seamless import and export of contact lists, ensuring data can be easily migrated to and from Yesware. Now, what about the A/B testing? Yesware provides A/B testing capabilities, allowing you to test your subject lines, content, and send times. Setting up A/B tests is straightforward with intuitive tools that guide users through the process. Results are presented in an easy to understand format. Yesware supports advanced A/B testing features as well, providing users with detailed insights into what works best for their audience. Now, what about mobile optimization? Yesware's email templates are mobile responsive, ensuring that your emails actually look good on people's phones, which is really important because people are checking their emails nowadays a lot more often on their phone instead of on their computer or laptop. They also provide an app that you can use with access to key features, including campaign creation, analytics, and your subscriber management. Overall, Yesware is a really good email marketing platform that's suitable for most small and medium-sized businesses. Drop your questions or concerns in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you found this useful. I've included the link to Yesware in the description box of this video so you can check it out. Thanks for watching.